Hi everyone, Ishani from ARGOS Labs here. Today I'm going to show you how to use our built-in OCR after you use the auto-rec and recorded a scenario. When you are building your scenario manually, you can just drag and drop this OCR action, like this, then you get an OCR operation. But when you auto-rec a scenario, you have to go back and modify your operations to activate OCR. I'm going to show you a video that was recorded by our customer service team and explain to you how to do it. So let me start the video, and I have it fast forwarded to 3 minutes and 41 seconds. I'm going to go step by step, so please watch carefully. So what he is trying to do here is run OCR on an Excel screen, which is kind of unusual, but maybe he has some reason for it. Anyway, he goes into locate image operation and changes the action type to read image text. There. This is our OCR. Did you see the parameter changed? Now, as usual, he is setting up the image-based navigation by selecting the image and defining the search area. And then he selects the area where he wants OCR to run. Okay. Now he goes back to the operation and he clicked this setting icon, and he chooses the right configuration template for OCR to make sure it reads the right characters. When you have the right template, you get the target, the process, and the result, like this. Okay, now I'm going to fast forward it a bit. Now the OCR has been performed and the characters are saved in the Scenario Studio. Now he needs to type it. So he's going to change this type text action where it says typing type from text to save text. So there. So basically for auto-recorded scenarios, you just need to change locate image operation to read image text, which is the OCR action, and then use type text action with save text to paste the character string. Okay everyone, that's it for today. See you next time and happy automation!